Welcome to the kitchen at Palmer's Progress. Today we have a special guest, Sprucey Lucy, and we are going to be working with 3 different recipes today.
Lentil rice cakes,
zippy herb crackers,
and for dessert, a carob fudge. Alright, we've entered a new season. We have more light, which means we have a little more heat and more time out on the trail. So how do we prepare for that? We have to get in the kitchen and make some snacks for those adventures. And one of those adventures would be our endurance racing. So we want to make sure we have whole foods on the trail, not just the quick snacks that are processed. And we are looking forward to doing that today. And we'll bring those on out on the trail with us in the future.
For the lentil rice cakes, we're going to combine water, lentils, rice, and some salt. And we're going to set this on the stove to boil.
Alright, while waiting for that to boil, I'm going to make our carob fudge. And I'm going to grind the sesame seeds and sunflower seeds, and then place them in a bowl with the rest of the ingredients and mix.
Alright, now that our mixture is boiling, we're going to let it turn the temperature down to low and let it sit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the water has all been absorbed.
Got our carob powder, tablespoon of water, and some honey. Take a little time to combine it when it's the same color throughout. I am looking forward to trying this. This looks really yummy. This is a great time to create memories that go with healthy food. And then when you get older, you have this craving for these foods. And I had carob when I was little, and so the smell just brings back a lot of those childhood memories and makes me enjoy it, even though it's not chocolate. All right, to top off our carob fudge, I placed some sesame seeds and sunflower seeds and pressed them in with some parchment paper. This just creates a fun presentation to go along with the flavor.
To make the zippy herb crackers, we are going to combine oats, flour, seeds, and our herbs. Alright, now next we're going to mix the wet ingredients. Oil and 3 eggs.
That was like the worst egg cracking ever.
Cracked it. Like cracked once.
Next, combine the wet and dry ingredients.
The next step for the lentil rice cakes is to prepare the remaining ingredients.
Now I'm going to spread this onto the baking sheet. The crackers are going into the oven at 400 for 20 minutes or until golden brown.
I haven't even cut it up yet. Woo!
You gonna make it through? You need your onion goggles?
This is very emotional for me.
Here, I'll take this half for the stew I'm making.
Alright, we're going to mix in the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to start with our olive oil. Just pour that on in there. About a teaspoon of cumin, which I don't really have anything left in here, so just pour it all in there. There we go. That's good. Alright, 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric. And this recipe calls for soy sauce, but our family uses Bragg's, which is a soy sauce alternative. We use it for a couple different reasons. It doesn't have some of the negative stuff, and it has amino acids, so there's a plus there. We're just gonna add a teaspoon of this as well. And mix.
All right, it looks like the rice and lentils have soaked up all that moisture, and now we're gonna put it in a different bowl just so it will cool a little faster before we combine it with these ingredients that Lily's prepared. For our lentil rice cakes. All right, so let's check out the crackers. I think they're done. Ooh, golden brown. It's time to pull them out of the oven. And sizzling.
Very sizzly.
All right, we'll let them cool and then store them for a snack on the trail.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna grease the cookie sheet while Lily combines the rice and lentils with the other ingredients that she's prepared. She's gonna mash them together and make some patties with them. Does it feel strange, like you're playing with your food?
Yeah. Yeah, Lucy has very envious eyes right now.
Oh yes, she loves that kind of.
Oh. It feels like mud with little rocks and things in it.
They're crackers, so
This is gonna stain my hands.
Day or two.
Massive, crunchy, yummy, seedy crackers.
can I try it?
Oh dear. No.
Alright. I don't know if I'll be able to do it any better.
Ooh, this can be smaller. They're stronger too.
That helps. It's kind of nice.
Oh, they're so cute.
And compared to mine,
Well, you didn't know.
Yours
right?
are gargantuan. And into the oven. 15 minutes, take them out, flip them over, and then put them back in for another 15 minutes.
Alright, the cakes are done. There we go. All right, we have finished up our different recipes here, and before we taste them, I just wanted to share a little bit about the importance of, on the trail, having nutrient rich foods that are compactable. So all of these foods are fun and different and full of the fats, carbohydrates, and proteins that we need to keep us going on the trail. It is time to try these treats out. Ladies, why don't you go ahead and grab a, what's the name of that cracker?
Zippy herb.
Yes,
cracker,
the
I
Zippy
believe.
herb cracker.
they're good.
So you'd eat it on the trail? You look forward to it?
Oh, yeah.
Might get you up a hill. All right, now we can try the lentil rice cakes.
Try a little bit of this piece here. Very good. Spices in there. Just great.
And then for dessert, the carob fudge. All right, let's see. It's like a race here. How quickly. Are you surprised? Yeah.
You just put honey in there.
Not expecting the flavor that it has.
I'm kind of curious too. I try some.
Isn't it delicious?
Yes, it's very good. The carob comes out right at the end. You can taste the sunflower and the sesame in there. It's really good. I love having things that you guys enjoy, and I know they're good for you too. They're actually adding to your experience. So if you enjoyed watching this bake, make sure to subscribe, press like. We'd love to hear your comments and any suggestions, and we're gonna keep prepping for the trail. See you next time. Taste a little bit, make sure you like it before you start putting it in your mouth.
Okay. Can I put it in my mouth? Do you like it?
You have to try it.
That's a little.
Yeah, that's a different kind of flavor.
Do you like it? Good. You can have a cake. You gotta sit at the table. Okay.
Devoted sisters. She won the trails. You just noticed it.
Skipped like 5 lines.
So like I remember. Hey, guys. Too carried away there.
First bake ever. Doomed.